Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. We're getting a little bit of a later start in the day, and today's going to be a nice quick install. So let's just jump right into it. My car here, it has some gross USDM. Holy smokes. It's going to start raining in a second, but it's fine. Anyways, my car has some USDM taillights on it, and they're not bad, they get the job done, but they're definitely not as good looking as the JDM tails. And so I picked them up, and today we're going to swap. But first, I'm going to show you what these look like when they're on.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. As you can see, just basic taillights, nothing special going on at all.
Alright, so this is the magical box. I've obviously already opened this, but let's give her a nice ground reveal here. So right there, that's our JDM tail. And as you can see, it's a bit of a cleaner look, but let's pull off the plastic and see what it really looks like. Obviously used taillights, they're not in perfect condition, but they look a hell of a lot better than the USDMs, you can see. Just a much cleaner look.
So JDM.
So JDM. So speaking of, I got these from a website called Kruber. It's just a little like JDM import site, and it's basically off of like used up garage inventory. If you know what that is, it's a Japanese like Napa Auto or whatever. But
dope stuff.
Yeah, they are some really cool stuff. So if you own a Japanese car or a Japanese project car, check out Kruber. They also sell a lot of really cool wheels and stuff, so it's definitely worth checking out.
Sponsor us, Kruber.
Yeah, please sponsor us. So yeah, we're gonna get to throwing this one in, and then we'll show you what it looks like. I was fortunate enough to find them with full wiring harnesses and all the hardware, so it should be a pretty simple install. Let's get to it. That's on a 10. Holding this guy in.
Taillight is off.
Yeah, and then just a matter of unplugging that, and it should pop right out. And look over here, we have the exact same connectors. Or at least it looks that way. Maybe not.
They look the same.
No, they look the same. Yeah.
That would be interesting if it wasn't.
That would be just that's that. Oh, it is the same. This is the best tool in the garage.
Other than you.
Fuck you. I guess I'll just let you make the same joke twice in one day. I guess that's alright.
Not true. It's bullshit.
Now we got a gross USDM taillight out. Slap in a nice JDM tail, see how she looks. Guys, it's a little nicked here, but
Trying to get that JDM tail.
yeah, man.
Hurricane Rod Knock's coming! Hurricane Rod Knock!
That's the hardest thing to do. I'll tell you after. Alright guys, so a little update. Storm's pretty freaking bad now.
It's more than rain!
It's hail, it sucks. So I think we're gonna pick this up tomorrow.
This is summer in Calgary!
But yeah, this is June in Canada. It sucks. So yeah, we're gonna pick up this video tomorrow. But we're gonna give you a quick sneak peek. There's a nice GDM on. Show them this. The USDM. Look at this. What the hell?
What the fuck?
Happy summer. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow. What's up guys, it's a new day today. Weather's a lot better, and so we're going to finish this install, and I think we're going to throw on these bumpers as well. I have this nice bumper that we cut out the little grill on from the Vert, and then the rear bumper as well, just because this one has this kind of gross like bubble here. I don't know if you can see it. JDM tails on, and I think they look so much better. It's unbelievable. It literally completely changed the rear end of this car. And yeah, we went from these nasty ass things, obviously, to the beauty JDM tails. So pretty stoked with that. Probably just throw on the front bumper, and then that'll be it for this video. But yeah. Shit circus. But yeah, this thing's pretty funny. It's got all the Japanese writing on it, and Japanese comics on this side. I don't know, just kind of cool. What's going on, guys? So I was editing this video and I realized that we completely forgot to film an outro, so I'm just gonna finish off the video here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is what these taillights look like at night.